So, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadhava classes. We are in Standard 3, and this is the AVS textbook of Standard 3. And we have completed one lesson. And today we are going to see the second lesson. We have already completed, we have already studied yesterday 2 pages of this, 2, 3 pages, 7, and I think, yes. We are reached here. Hmm. So, we have seen different kinds of animals and uh, useful animals also we have seen yesterday. Now we the gate crusher. So some animals, see, some animals are not useful for us. They are troubling us. Okay, some animals are not useful for us, but they are troubling us in many different ways. So some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them. Okay, we don't want some animals, but they enter our houses. Example are mice, rats. They destroy stored grains. अशा घरात जर आपण कधी धान्य वगैरे ठेवलं असेल तर त्यांना काय होतं ते destroy mice and rats. Besides gnawing other things in the house, and not only the grains, but they also destroy many other things in the house. Sometimes we find bedbug, ज्याला आपण ढेकून म्हणतो ढेकून. Bedbug in our house, they suck our blood. ते आपलं रक्त काय करतात? Suck करतात, शोषून घेतात. Even spiders मेक कॉबवेब्स इन द हाऊसेस. बघ आपल्या घरामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे जाळे म्हणजे आपल्या घरात नाही, पण समजा घरामध्ये बऱ्याच वेळा आपण एखादं आपलं घर स्वच्छ वगैरे केलं नाही तर असे जाळे कोपऱ्या-कोपऱ्याने असे जाळे पाहायला मिळतात. जिथे कोणी राहत नाही असे जाळे खूप तुम्ही पाहिले असतील. ओके, हे यांना आपण बोलवतो का नाही? वी डू नॉट कॉल देम, इव्हन वी डोंट वॉन्ट देम, बट दे कम टू अवर हाऊसेस. इव्हन द मॉस्किटोज, मच्छर असतं बघा, फ्लाईज, gnats and cockroaches, they are a nuisance. They are a nuisance too. They are nuisance too. Even so, but still, these troublesome animals, do have an important place in the nature. They are not, we don't want them, but they have some role in the nature. Getting? त्यांचा सुद्धा नेचर मध्ये काही ना काही रोल कसा आहे. They have a role in the nature. Getting guys? तुम्ही रीड करत जा, धडा पण थोडा वाचत जा. ओके, ट्राय टू फाइंड सम आन्सर्स. शो द. आय नो डिफिकल्ट असतं, बट स्टील यू कॅन ट्राय नाव. We have seen that animals around us can be grouped in different ways, right? We form these groups using our everyday observation. We group आहेत animals we know very well, and they are dependent on the everyday observation, the रोजचं observation. However, when scientists classify animals, लक्ष द्या, when scientists classify animals, scientists म्हणजे ना शास्त्रज्ञ असतात, they look at more important characteristics of animals. Okay, so let us see how they do it, how they classify some animals, right? Chalo. Now we suckle our young ones. We suckle our young ones. So you can see that the young ones of animals like cow, dog, goat, and rat grow up on their mother's milk. Okay, they grow on their mother's milk. These animals have 4 legs. त्यांचे पाय किती असतात? 4 असतात. They have hair on their body and they have external ears. बरोबर? They have external ears. कान बाहेर असतात की नाही? You can see dog, sheep, goat, cow, etc. Then we fly. You know which animal fly? Birds fly. Okay, we can see the birds fly. So why do birds fly? See, birds have only 2 legs, right? You can see, you have seen the birds. So birds have only 2 legs. Two legs. They have 2 wings to fly. आता wings असतात त्यांना. So using the wings they fly. पक्षी काय करतात आपले? They fly using the wings. Okay, पंखाने ते उडत राहतात. Their body is covered with feathers. त्यांच्या अंगावर काय असतात? Feathers असतात. पिसं असतात की नाही? Getting? Then there are differences in flying ability of of different birds. प्रत्येकाची flying ability वेगळी असते. You know very well. The eagle can soar high in the sky and stay in the air for long time. तुम्ही बघितलं ईगल वगैरे असे प्राणी, ईगल जो पक्षी असतो, हे खूप उंच जातात आकाशामध्ये. कसे जातात? ते खूप उंच जातात आणि काय होतं, ते उंच जातात, बरोबर, अँड दे कॅन स्टे फॉर लॉंगर टाइम. खूप वेळ ते आकाशात राहू शकतात. बट बट जर तुम्ही कोंबडी बघितली, कोंबडी, बट द कॉक किंवा कोंबडी किंवा कोंबडा डज नॉट फ्लाय हाय अँड कम्स डाऊन सून. ओके, खूप उंच जातो का तो? नाही जात. उंच जास्त उडत नाही आणि लगेच जमिनीवर तो परत येतो. इट कॅनॉट गो हायर. Now we live in water. So who live in water? Fish. Who live in water? Fish. So there are many different kinds of fish. Fish पण वेगळे असतात की नाही? Have you seen? काही fish प्रत्येक fish वेगवेगळा असतो and there are many different kinds of fish. They live in water. Where do they live? They live in water. Fish have fins. त्यांना fins असतात. They use their fins to move in water. आणि त्यामुळे काय करतात ते? They use उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? They move in the water. There are scales on the fish body. There are scales on the fish body. Fishच्या बॉडीवर scales असतात. Okay, you can see the fins, scales, eyes, and gills. Gills are the respiratory organs. Okay, they are present here. Then you can see the eye, scales also on the body, and there these are the fins. हे सगळे कल्ले असतात, fins असतात. Getting? So this is a fish. It lives in the water. A fish gills behind its eyes. A fish has gills behind its eyes. Fish use gills to breathe in water. Okay, it uses gills to breathe in water. Then there are some animals they can creep or crawl. So chameleon, house, lizard, snakes are animals that crawl. Sarpata, they have scales on their body, as well as chameleon and house lizard have four legs, but these legs are very short. The snakes has does not have any legs. Snake ला leg असतात का? नाही. Then we call the insect. Insect म्हणजे कीटक. Even the butterfly is an insect. लक्षात घ्या. Butterfly is also an insect. Butterflies Butterflies have wings too. Butterflies wings असतात. Butterfly उडतात. But we don't call them birds. ते birds आहेत का? नाही. They are insect. लक्षात घ्या. Butterflies are insect. ते किडे असतात. कीटक असतात. Not किडे. It's कीटक. They are smaller than birds. पक्षीपेक्षा लहान असतात. Besides, they have six legs. आणि त्यांना पाय किती असतात? Six legs असतात. पाय six असतात. हे तुम्ही शिकलेले आहात आणि तुम्हाला माहित आहे. Animals which have six legs are called as insect. लक्षात घ्या. Animals which have six legs are called as insect. So butterflies are insects. Okay, butterflies काय आहेत? Butterflies are insects. Beside that, there are some mosquitoes, house flies. Mosquito म्हणजे मच्छर, house flies तुम्हाला माहिती आहे घरातल्या माशा. And cockroaches are insects too. ते सुद्धा insects आहेत. Cockroach माहिती नाही घरात असतात cockroach कधी कधी मिळतात ते बघा. Same way, they are also insects. Getting guys? And then we have bats. Bats म्हणजे काय? वटवाघूळ. So bats have wings, but they don't have feathers on their body. Young ones of a bat feed on their mother's milk. ठीक है, bat is not a bird. लक्षात घ्या, bat is a mammal. काय तो mammal है. Bats are not birds like crow, sparrow, parrot. They are included in the group of cow, tiger, deer, mouse. Okay, it is like a mammal. एक mammal है तो but it still flies. But it still flies. Getting? Okay. Now, chalo. There are some examples. So cow, dog, goat. We suckle our young ones. So the animals, crow, sparrow, parrot, we fly, and chameleon, house lizard, they cry. So what are the animals? Okay, which are the animals? Into which group the following would you put the owl, monitor, lizard, that is घोरपड, and the cat? Okay, so cat कुठे आहे ना तुमचे? So cat will come here. Cat will come here. Then घोरपड or the lizard will come here. Okay, the lizard will come here. That is घोरपड म्हणजे मोठी lizard, the monitor lizard त्याला घोरपड म्हणतात. So you can write here monitor lizard. And we can fly. So fly मध्ये काय ना तुम्हाला owl. Owl is a bird. Okay, so owl is a bird. Getting? हे तुमचे आन्सर तुम्हाला सांगितले बघा मी. And the cat. चलो पुढे जाऊया. आज लेसन होऊन जाईल आपला आणि उद्या आपण क्वेश्चन आन्सर पाहूया. चलो. So this was all about few animals that are familiar with us. But there are many other animals in the world. World मध्ये खूप प्राणी आहेत. They are not familiar with us. So there are a lot of differences in the color, shape, size of animals. There are differences in the way the in the ways they move and the places they live in. This differences that we see among animals give rise to a lot of variety in animals. The number of animals that live in the sea is also very large. There is great variety of among them too. There is great variety among them too. It is interesting to see. It is interesting to learn about all such animals. Do try to find more about them in your order. Okay, when you are older. See, there are very different animals. There are very different animals you can see in the surrounding, or not in the surrounding, in the world. Okay, खूप animals असतात, वेगळे प्राणी असतात आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात. There were so many kinds of animals. Okay, so we'll stop here and tomorrow we'll see the question and answers. Okay, have a good day. Bye everyone.